Assalamualaikum guys. So this video is about the answers to the questions. And so I hope you guys have already answered the questions and you are watching it afterwards, okay? So I'm not going to go over all the questions because some of them are easy. They don't need any explanation. But I will just explain a few of them. So one is number 3. Gale is a magical sheep. What evidence from the text supports this conclusion? Conrad, the leader, thinks the gold flowers are delicious. When Gale cries, gold flowers grow from where his tears fall. Gale lives in shame and he cannot show his true self to the other sheep. So the answer is the one marked in green. When Gale cries, the gold flowers grow from where his tears fall. Because this is the magical part, right? They're asking you they're telling you that he's a magical sheep, so you have to focus on the fact that they are talking about that he is magical, so you have to choose an answer which supports this sentence, okay? And this is the only sentence which supports that statement. Number 5. What is the main message of this story? And the answer marked in green is the correct one. Being different can also be beautiful. That is the main message behind all the characters, all the dialogues, the color of the sheep. The main message is that being different can also be beautiful. It doesn't mean gold sheep are better than white or black, because that's not the point of the story either. Okay, that is not the point of the story either, that because he's gold he was better. It's that because he was different, he is just as beautiful as the rest of them. Read these sentences from the text. Look, says Jared, pointing. There is your gold sheep. He is making gold flowers grow. Oh, all the other sheep gasp. They are beautiful. So what does the word gasp mean? B. Make a noise from being surprised. And you can easily tell that from the context. In the video in which I explained the comprehension, I did not tell you the meaning of the word gasp because I also want you guys to learn how to come up with meanings based on how the word is being used. So you can easily tell that they all gasp and then they say they are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. So they're definitely not disgusted and they're definitely not scared, which leaves only one option. Make a noise from being surprised. Okay. What is Gale's true color? So that's an obvious answer. Gale's true color is gold. And remember, all your answers are always in the comprehension, like I tell you. And if you find an answer that fits the comprehension, like if you write the exact line from the passage as the answer to the question, that is also fine. It's perfectly okay to do that if the answer is correct. What does Conrad say when Jared asks, what if one of your sheep was secretly gold? So this is also easy. You would have gone back to the passage and you would have looked at what Conrad said and you can just write that down. Conrad says that they would never accept him. Any form of this answer would be correct, okay? Now this answer is I'm sorry for this. Okay. How do Conrad's feelings towards a gold sheep change in the story? What makes his feelings change? Use evidence from the text to support your answer. So don't worry about this answer in the sense that any answer that is correct, it can be in your own words. ReadWorks will accept it, okay? This is just a general answer, but if you've written it in your own words, then obviously ReadWorks would have accepted that as well. Conrad thinks a gold. So first of all, they're asking you how do Conrad's feelings towards a gold sheep change in the story. So for a question like that, you will have to tell both of his feelings. What did he feel in the start and then what did he feel in the end? So we know that in the start he did not like the gold sheep and he did not accept the gold sheep. And in the end he accepted the gold sheep and he also called the gold sheep beautiful. So any answer which is like that would have been correct. Let's read the exact answer that they gave. I'm going to start reading from here. Can you guys see the arrow? Okay. The arrow isn't coming, but like from here. Conrad thinks a gold sheep would not be accepted, but at the end of the passage, Conrad accepts Gale as a gold sheep. The next part of the question is, what make his feelings change? Use evidence from the story to support your answer. Use evidence from the story to support your answer is a part of the comprehension that we do every time almost that we do a comprehension in class. Evidence means proof, so you have to look at the story and then you have to see what made his feelings change, and you have to pinpoint that part. But remember, the answer is always in the story. So let's read here. Conrad's feelings change when he sees and tastes the flower that Gale creates. Conrad realizes how beautiful they are and how good they taste, and this makes Conrad recognize the beauty of Gale's uniqueness. Uniqueness means to be unique, means to be different. Any answer that would have been like this would have got, any answer which captures this idea would be correct. For example, Conrad's feeling change when he sees how beautiful how beautiful Gale is, and how beautiful the flowers are that Gale made, and how good they taste. And he realizes that because Gale is different, he is just more beautiful, and he realizes that Gale is special, or anything like that. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.